Bowling! We have the whole bowling alley to ourselves right now. Theron's up first. Look at that straight ball. That one looks like Earth.
Oh, the splitter! Picks the left.
Oh!
Robbery.
Can he get it?
Time bounce.
I know it. I knew it.
Yeah.
Good try, buddy.
Time bounce. Time bounce. Called it.
Some people are here for the bowling, some people are here for the food, and I'm here for the dancing. Oh, close.
You got one.
Good job, buddy. Yeah! We're about halfway through.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yeah! Good job. The boys and me. Oh, you got it. Look who's catching up.
Oh, do it. Oh.
I'm too bad.
Hit him up, baby. He's like, what is this game?
All right, final scores. All right, final scores. 83 Theron, 88 Zane, 117 Rick, and 100 Jess. And here's the scores for our second game. I was so close to beating him. And there's game number 3. I finally won.